In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to the Binance Pro version on your app using an iPhone. Whether you're new to Binance or looking to unlock the advanced features, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, pick up your iPhone and locate the Binance app. It's crucial to ensure your app is up to date, as having the latest version helps avoid potential bugs or compatibility issues during this transition. If you haven't opened your app in a while, now's a good time to check for updates via the App Store. Once you have the app open, the first thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon, which is conveniently located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon serves as your gateway to a range of settings and options where you can customize your user experience. After accessing the profile menu, scroll down the list of options you see. Here you'll spot an option labeled Binance Lite. Binance Lite is the simplified version of the app, designed mainly for beginners and those who prefer a less complex interface. But since we're here to switch to the Pro version, we need to toggle this option off. Tapping Binance Lite will immediately turn off the Lite mode, and just like that, your app will switch over to the Pro version. This transformation happens instantly, and you'll notice a range of advanced features and tools becoming available right away. The Pro version is tailored for experienced traders, offering comprehensive tools and detailed insights necessary for making informed trading decisions. If it's your first time in the Pro environment, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find that the interface is richer, with additional information and advanced charts, among other features. Navigating through these options might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little exploration, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Try diving into the advanced trade options or take a look at the depth of market data to see the information at your disposal. Remember, switching between Lite and Pro is entirely reversible, so if you ever feel like going back to the simpler interface, just follow these steps again and toggle Binance Lite back on. Adapting to the Pro version unlocks a world of potential and can enhance your trading strategies significantly. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully switched to the Binance Pro version on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance. Happy trading!